everyone, welcome to Vriksham TV. This is S. Dia of Grade 8 GSW1 presenting the news of the day. CBSE Board will declare the 10th result 2020 tomorrow, which can be viewed the cbseresults.nic.in. A hearty best of luck to all students on behalf of Vriksham. Tamil Nadu recorded a pass percentage of 97.31% in the class 12th CBSE board exam. TN stands second in the country after Kerala. Karnataka in the third place. To control the epidemic in other parts of Tamil Nadu following the increase in corona infection in other districts than Chennai, a meeting of the Cabinet of Ministers of Tamil Nadu chaired by Chief Minister will be held. Tamil Nadu government orders extension of restrictions on bus service till July 31 in an effort to break the chain of infection. An inscription belonging to the Pandya period was discovered by a team of researchers in an ancient temple at Melmalayanur near Jinji on Sunday. As many as 72 police personnel who were cured of COVID-19 reported for work on Monday. Chennai Police Commissioner Mahesh Kumar Agarwal welcomed the team. The Tamil Nadu Vanigar Sangangalin Peramaipu has demanded the wholesale markets including the Koilmedu Market complex in Chennai and the Gandhi Market in Tiruchi be reopened to protect the livelihood of traders and check the increasing price of essentials. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Google CEO Sundar Pichai on July 13 held discussions on a wide range of issues such as data security and concerns around privacy, use of technology to transform lives of farmers and ways to expand the scope of online education. To mitigate the effects of climate change and avoid global warming, the Indian Railways is moving towards the goal of becoming a green railway by 2030. Army Commander inspects border area in Jammu. Army Chief Manoj Mukund Narwane visited the Indo-Pakistan international border in Jammu yesterday to inspect the security situation. Health Ministry has advised people not to panic if they are diagnosed with COVID-19, stating that most people get better. 19 states have a higher recovery rate than the national average. The government says Bengaluru to lock down completely from today 8 pm to 23rd July 5 am. Areas of southern and central China have been hit by heavy flooding and the country's flood response alert has been raised to the second highest level. Pakistan has agreed to reopen the closed Wagah border from tomorrow, July 15, to resume exports between Afghanistan and India. Precautions are necessary. Corona can cause the worst extreme destruction said by World Health Organization. The government has expelled 10 Indians from Singapore for violating restrictions imposed to curb the spread of corona infection. Jinsi Mandela, 59, daughter of former South African President Nelson Mandela, died yesterday due to ill health. Corona updates. Global COVID-19 count crosses 1 crore 32 lakh. Nearly 77 lakh people have been recovered so far. India's COVID-19 count reaches 9 lakh. Death toll crossed 24,746. India's recovery rate has risen to 63% with 15,301 people discharged from hospitals on a single day. Tamil Nadu's overall tally increased to 1,42,798 with 4,328 persons testing positive. 66 deaths take the toll past the 2,000 mark. Weather report. Heavy rainfall expected in Kanchipuram, Viluppuram and Nagarkoil. With this me, S. Dia signing off the note to keep watching Vricham TV. Stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.